Whether in the shop or on the job site, there's always the potential need to bore a hole at an odd angle. And you can't do that any other way unless you have a magnetic base drill. Well, don't pay attention to the rotary positioner this is attached to. It's only there to demonstrate the capabilities and the strength of this magnetic base. This is the Baileigh MD-3500. This particular mag drill has a 1 3/8 inch maximum cutter diameter and a maximum depth of 2 inches. A 7.5 inch stroke with a gravity feed coolant system. The drill chuck is included, and this thing is 110 volt. Now don't get me wrong, drill bits do a fine job, but to cut a perfectly round hole, we do offer a kit of 6 annular cutters. Not included, but they are optional. For more information on this machine and the complete specs, just go ahead and visit us at Baileigh.com.